How to add or change phone number in Ubisoft account. Now this process is very quick and easy as long as you do have any web browser that you can run through from your current end or from your phone. So just simply head directly to ubisoft.com's official site. Then in here, make sure that you're logged into your account. Now once you have successfully logged in, all you have to do is to head directly to your account management and then go to the security tab. So basically, adding or changing phone number and Ubisoft is one of your verification process to log in on your Ubisoft account. So if you have set up your two steps verification, all you have to do is just to hit on edit or manage so that you can add phone number. If you do have an existing phone number added to your account, then just simply hit on edit and you should be able to receive any notifications from the email address associated with your Ubisoft account for one-time password. And that's basically it. That's how you add or change phone number in Ubisoft account.